President Mater, the only president that I think we actually need. Hey, much better than Trump, eh? Still, President Mater is one of the most boring, yet interesting variants of him. Because, he's blue, which we don't think we've seen him in that colour before. I don't think we have, anyways. Please correct me if I'm wrong. No, actually, Tokyo Mater. I literally just remembered that. Tokyo Mater exists. And brand new Mater. Okay, that's not the first time we've seen him in blue after all, but... Okay, first time we've seen him in this particular shade of blue. Okay? I all happy now. Good. And relax, alright? You okay? Good. Now, let's have a closer look at him. We've got the, buck tooth. Potato, tomato. I don't know. Here we go, the little President of the United States. A sticker on his side, which is pretty cool. Yellow stripe. What's it? Would this be indicators? I guess actually, would it be orange field indicators? Guess it would be orange if it was an indicator. Still got his same old your rusty license plate, which reads A113, which is a reference to the CalArts animation studio where, well, most Pixar animators worked and trained. And because it's a 2024 variant, he has the working tow hook, which I will proudly demonstrate with Sheriff Lightning McQueen. Alright, what do we do? Okay, bear with me a second. Sorry, bear with me a second. You can drive along like this. Now I gotta get him off. There we go. Thanks a lot, Lightning. What else to say about him? His actual tow cable bit is grey, which I don't think's the colour on the standard Mater. Oh no, of course it's not, because look on the Christmas Mater over here, it's brown and not grey, so must be true that, just a thought. Well, either way, have a great day, folks.